In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix website. First, log into your Wix account and make sure you are on your main dashboard. This is important because you need to be in the area where all of your websites are listed, not just inside the editor or settings for one specific site. If you happen to be viewing a single site's dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the current site name. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there choose All Sites. That will take you back to the full list of websites connected to your account. Once you are on the All Sites page, find the website you want to delete. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites. When you've found it, click the three dots icon next to that site. This opens the Site Actions menu, where you will see more options for managing that website. From that menu, click Move to Trash. Wix will ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and confirm if you are sure. After you do this, the site will be unpublished. That means visitors will no longer be able to access it online, and the site will no longer be editable in the normal way. So if you think you may need anything from that site later, it's a good idea to be absolutely certain before moving forward. If your goal is only to remove the site from public view, moving it to the trash may be enough. Wix keeps trashed sites for a limited period before deleting them automatically. This gives you a short window in case you change your mind. If you want to permanently erase the site before Wix automatically deletes it after 90 days, you can do that too. Go to the trash folder in your site menu and locate the website there. Then click the three dots next to the site again and select Remove Site. This will permanently delete it from your account, and that's it. Thanks for watching.